If you ever wondered how to get millions of views on YouTube, check it out. This is the Access Analytic office. Great work, Mark. Nice, Simone. Lovely work. This is what I like to see. Luke really gets it. This is great. This is how you hit the big numbers. Oh, good. That's the Access Analytic team. Hard at work. Matt, what are you watching?
Which one next?
Definitely not Mark Proctor's.